Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, we will learn about the activating strict mode in JavaScript. So strict mode is a special mode that we can activate in JavaScript, which make it easier for us to write some secure JavaScript code. And we have to activate that strict mode by writing use strict. This word we have to write it at the beginning of the script. So this statement should be the first statement in the JavaScript code. Okay, so if we have any code before that strict mode, then this strict mode will not get activated, and that will be of no use. Writing that use strict if we have any JavaScript code before that statement. So use strict, that word should be the first word in the JavaScript code. Okay, so but if you are writing some comments before that, that should be fine. That will be not executed by JavaScript engine. So we always just put script mode at the beginning of the script. So this means like when we say that a strict mode, that is a more secure, and this means that strict mode make it easier for a developer to avoid some accidental errors as well. So basically it helps us to introduce bugs into our code, and that because of two reasons. First is that strict mode forbid us to do some certain things, and second is actually we have to create some visible errors for us, and that will create a visible error for us and in certain situation. So without strict mode, we will not be able to see that errors, and that script get failed silently without letting us know what mistake we developer did. So when we use a use strict in the JavaScript code, then developer will know that if some error happened, that will get notified to in the console easily. So that's the very important concept of the strict mode in the JavaScript. We will see some example here. Okay, so first line should be the use strict. Okay, suppose we will take consider some one example. So suppose has driver license is equal to false, and we are writing some another is const test pass is equal to true. So it means that if person don't have the license, then it has to pass the that test. Okay, so if test pass, then has driver license is equal to true, and if has driver license, console dot log, then we can say person can drive that. Okay, we can see here. We just so now you can see here what should be output. You can see. Now we have uh, seen that this condition is passing, and we can see the output here in the console log. Oh, okay. Sorry, I will just open this in open server, live server, inspect. So person can drive is the output for us, right? So when we say that when we are doing some changes in this license, we are removing this E here, then what is the output here? It is showing has driver license is not defined, because suppose why we are getting this error, because this is in the strict mode. If we remove, if we comment out this strict mode, then are we getting the error? We are not getting any error. So developer will not understand what is the issue there. And in that, in this case, so if suppose there is a big program, and he tried to compile, then he will not able to understand actually where the issue is there. and that code will not work, and that is not secure as well. So to help the developer as well, and for the security purpose also, always use a strict mode. If you see, you can see, right, we are not getting any error for this when we commented out use strict. But when we uh, enable this use strict, and we can see this error got displayed, has driver license is not defined, because there is a mistake in this spelling. You can see license E should be there. So once we put correct name, then again we get correct result here. So that is the importance of this use strict. We'll see one more example. Suppose JavaScript has some reserved word as well, that also not allowed to use that. I will give one example first. Interface, suppose, and we are writing some uh, uh, word, right, like this. So when we see that we are getting unexpected strict mode reserved word, we are getting error. In the similar way, we cannot use any reserved word as well, like private. You can see here unexpected reserved word we have got xyz, xyx. Okay, so if you comment out this, we can get same issue here. So similarly, we can see that use streak is a very important part of this JavaScript. It will help us to write a code in a better way, and we that will help developer to avoid any error or any mistake while writing the code in JavaScript. So whenever we start writing in JavaScript, always use strict mode. Don't forget it, or without strict without writing this code, don't start any coding in the JavaScript. This is very very important. First line should be use strict in the our JavaScript. So thank you guys. I hope you understood the concept of use strict in the JavaScript. um, Thank you.